We see Crunchtime as a centralized portal basically for all the integrations and how all the data flows through. We've constantly improved the system, and the support we've had from the Crunchtime team has just been amazing. Nic Thomas, I am the Director of Store Systems and Digital. That means I'm responsible for all the in-store tech stack.
My name is Amber Landry. I am the brand trainer at Smoothie King. I'm responsible for all things training and helping make sure everybody's set up for success. Having a tool like Crunchtime when I first started would have been a game changer for sure. We used a different platform for years. You kind of had to go in and figure things out for yourself. The advantages of Crunchtime is you can see things like, tracking labor that's up to date, inventory, scheduling the right people at the right time, just really having a good roadmap as to what really good operations in a store look like.
Early wins is it's very easy for operators to do inventory. The mobile app helps a lot. Been able to train their teams very quickly on how to work through those. It's allowed us to correct our recipes and trust in the data that we didn't have with our previous system. Now that we have a great foundation for valid information coming through from Crunchtime, it's allowed us to take that next step and be able to define metrics for which we can operate with.
Rolling out Ops Execution, I think, is going to be huge for us because not only is it going to help us remain consistent, but it will also just really ensure that human safety is being followed as it should. Not only are you going to get a good product, a consistent product, but hopefully you're going to have enough team members on the floor. Hopefully you have enough products stocked because you have taken really good inventory. Good data in, good data out. So it's really just driven consistency across the system.
This is what we're looking for, and it creates those opportunities for us to improve.